ash to ash, ember to bone, four rode out of, one road home. They don't raise this tune for drink or cheer. It drifts in when the night draws near, when the fire goes thin and the room won't breathe, and memory won't take its leave. Blackwood stands like scorched black pine, split by heat but holding time. Char along the grain, weather-worn, a man left standing after the storm. Three rode with him back in the years, four wrong turns and not much fear. Before the spark, before the fall, they shared a drink and that was all. Ash to ash, ember to bone, four rode out, rode home. They drank it hard, they drank it fast, to bury thought and outrun past. The bottle passed, the dark set in, and towns burned bright for letting them in. No music followed where they went, no prayer stayed, no mercy spent. Just shuttered doors and dying sound, and smoke that marked what once was ground. Ash to ash, ember to bone, the fire within, silence grown. Time took the riders slow and sure, as time does when debts endure. The road recalls each missing name, the fire remembers just the same. Blackwood kept on pace, worn thin like old chalk fed by dying wind, still upright though the heat's long fled, carrying what the flame once said. Ash to ash, ember to bone, four rode out, one road home. The fire stays low, the bottle waits, some reckonings don't come straight, and legends change the more they're told, till truth goes thin and ash goes cold. If ever you catch smoke on clean night air, feel the dark pause like it's there. That ain't fear and that ain't lore, that's the ash riders at your door. Ash to ash, ember to bone, four rode out, one road
Well, I feel unbroken. I'm gonna into the wild. Makes me feel like an animal. I just need to find its prey. Moonlight calling me to make sense. Moonlight calling me
night falls and your name rides the wind, a shadow carved where light had been. Whiskey burns where your hand once lay. I still see you when I look away. Boots by the door, they're gathering dust. I talk to silence, learning to trust. The porch light flickers, same old beat. You're gone, but your ghost won't leave my seat. You're in the stars where I can't go, dancing in dreams in that silver glow. I raise a glass to where you are, miles above, still not too far. You're in the stars, yeah, in the stars. Coffee at dawn, birds start to sing, but mornings ain't got the joy you'd bring. I smile when old songs come around. You're the echo in every sound. You're in the stars where I can't go, dancing in dreams in that silver glow. I raise a glass to where you are, miles above, still not too far. You're in the stars, yeah, in the stars. You're in the stars, and I still know love like ours will always glow, till we meet at heaven's bar. I'll keep singing with this scar. You're in the stars, my guiding star.
Every scar's got a reason. Every habit grew from pain. These bad manners, they raised me strong. Hard roads taught me right from wrong. I don't bail and I don't pretend. I shake the room when I walk in. If I seem rough, if I don't bend, I've been breaking before I learn to mend. These bad manners, they ain't just pride, they're the only armor I've got inside. Church bell ring, I'm late again. Dust on my hands, whiskey on my skin. Preacher talks about grace and change, but some old ghosts don't loosen their chains. I loved a girl, she couldn't stay, said my silence drove her away. I held my words like a loaded gun and watched her leave when the door I didn't know how to open. These bad manners, they raised me strong. Hard roads taught me right from wrong. I don't bow and I don't pretend. I shake the room when I walk in. If I seem cold, if I don't bend, I've been fighting before I could defend these bad manners. They ain't just pride, they're the only armor I got inside. If I could speak a little softer, if I could stay instead of run, maybe I'd be someone's shelter instead of someone's storm and dust. But the night know my name too well, and the past rings like a dinner bell.